Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, my name is Maren
and I'm Maureen.
So today we are going to be doing an episode where we're going to be asking Kenyans what they love about South Africa. If you're new here, please kindly remember to subscribe and like this video. Come with us, let's go find out.
Hi, how are you?
Fine.
What's your name?
My name is Livingstone Osoti. I'm a mwamba wa jiji.
Kaka.
Kaka?
Yeah. I'm Frank.
Frank?
Yeah.
Okay, so today we are asking people, do you know the country South Africa kwanza?
I know South Africa.
What do you know them for?
I know South Africa for amapiano, you know, chu. alafu for Malema ule nini Raila wa huko. Yeah, I know South Africa, mademu warembo, you know, yeah.
So, do you know the country South Africa?
Yes, I know.
What would you say, how do you know it?
I know it because I think it's in Africa and I'm in Africa, so yeah.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm fine.
Do you know the country South Africa?
Yeah, sure.
And what do you love about South Africa?
I love actually the music. I love their film. Their films have quite improved on it. So basically the two, music and the film industry, yes. Yeah.
And do you know the president of South Africa?
Yeah, Ramaphosa, I guess. Yeah.
Yeah. Is South Africa a country you'd love to visit?
Yeah, I love to visit.
What about living there?
Maybe after leaving, I'll know. After visiting, I'll know whether to live or not. But I think I can live there. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much for your opinion. We appreciate. What do you know it for?
Kando na mapiano, mademu work. Painting, safi sana.
So, what would you say you love other than the ladies you love about South Africa?
Pengine niseme sijaifika, so kwa picha naona infrastructure yao. Inakaa inapendeza sana. I wish tungekuwa na kitu kama hiyo.
Okay, and do you know the president of South Africa?
Nadhani si Ramaphosa, Ramaphosa kitu kama hiyo.
Yeah, Cyril Ramaphosa.
Yeah.
Okay, and is South Africa a country you'd like to visit?
Yeah, sure. Kabisa.
What about living there?
Sababu pia kuna historia yao nayo ya foreigners, so acha nitembee tukule vibe nirudi zangu Kenya.
Okay, so asante sana.
Thank you.
We appreciate. What do you love about South Africa?
I love what I love about South Africa. First, kitu ya kwanza napenda is about kuna hawa wanadada wanatembeanga sijui ni kabila gani hao, si ni Zulu. Kuna hii movie moja ilikuwa inaitwa God Must Be Crazy ya South Africa. So kuna hiyo community wanatembeanga wako tu. Unajua Kenya kitu kama hiyo.
Yeah.
You get it?
Yeah, I get it.
Yani wanatembea hawana tops. That's what I love. I love watching. Napenda kuangalia. Alafu pia napenda mapiano, you know, the music. Yeah, wako na music mzuri.
Okay. And do you know the president of South Africa?
President of South Africa. President of South. Unajua mimi sijui kama ni Jacob Zuma. But mimi nimezaliwa kwa upinzani. Sasa najua tu mtu wa upinzani. Najua tu Julius Malema. But I think ni Jacob Zuma. I don't know. Siko sure.
And is South Africa a country you'd like to visit?
South Africa,
Would you like to visit it?
It's not one on my list.
Why?
Haiko kwa list yangu kabisa because I know South Africa hizo mambo ya racism nini. As in niliitoa kwa list yangu juu ya hizo story. Sijui uko kuna maracist sana vitu kama hizo. But in real sense sijawahi fikiria kwa visit. Afadhali nitembee niende Zimbabwe. Ndio nikienda na 1,000 na kuwa na pesa mingi. Afadhali niende Zimbabwe, South Africa bana.
Okay, thank you.
Niende niuze huko Zimbabwe kidole.
Okay, thank you so much for your opinion. We really appreciate it.
Thank you.
What do you know the country South Africa? What do you know it for?
South Africa. Okay, najua tu ni South Africa. Yeah.
And is there anything you love about South Africa? What do you love about South Africa?
South Africa, I like their accent and their music. Sana kama msanii anaitwaje? Mwenye ameimba. Okay, nimesahau, but pia I think pia Mr. Bones ni from South Africa, si ndio? Yeah. Hapo ndo sana nilianza kuipenda actually. From Mr. Bones. Hapo ndo nilipenda South Africa.
Okay, and is South Africa a country you'd like to visit? What about living there?
No.
Why?
I just love Kenya. I love my country.
Okay.
South Africa.
Okay, there is one time I've ever thought of going to South Africa. The time I had a dream of being a pilot. Vile nilisikia, don't know, was it Zuma, something of the sort. So nilikuwa nataka kwenda South Africa sana, but vitu huwa zina change. Yeah.
Okay, so thank you so much for your opinion. We really appreciate it. Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
Do you know the country South Africa?
Country, yes.
What do you know them for?
Amapiano. Yeah.
So, if you were asked your your favorite thing in South Africa, what would you say?
Music audio ya mapiano. Yeah.
You love their music.
Yeah.
And do you know who their president is?
President is mwenye nilikuwa najua tu ni acha tuseme mwenye nilikuwa najua pale alikuwa Costa tu. But tangu wa dead. Sioni mwingine anaweza piga pale mapiano kama si yeye. Yeah.
And is South Africa a country you'd like to visit?
Naweza tamani but not now. Yeah.
Okay, so thank you so much for your time. We appreciate.
Welcome.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
Mr. Streets.
Mr. Streets.
Yeah.
Well, quite an interesting name. So today we are asking, first of all, do you know South Africa?
Yeah.
What do you know them for?
Yeah, me.
And given an opportunity, South Africa, a country you'd like to visit?
Yeah.
What about live there?
Live there. Yeah, like for a month.
Okay. And do you know the president of South Africa?
No. Somehow, yeah.
Who is he? Okay. So thank you so much for your time. We appreciate.